service the wood gasifier needs is perhaps the weak point of the whole wood gasifier system. This time we will make complete service for the Ecomobile gasifier. Shall we start with refueling first? Ecomobile gasifier demands this kind of fuel stuff. This is Finnish birch. Consumption of this car is about 50 kilograms per 100 kilometers. It's very practical to empty the fuel first in a large bucket and hoist the fuel with bucket instead of using sacks. Next, we will clean the filter. This kind of tool is needed to open the ash doors, and this is an air pulsator to clean the gas filter. To save some time, I cleaned only 2 rounds of 8 rounds, so about 1/4 of the filter. But this kind of air pulsator is very practical and can be used to clean the filter. Next, we have to remove the ashes below the gasifier. The ash from the gas filter is very fluffy, really thin powder, and it's best to directly into the sack. It is possible to clean the filter 2 times and only after that remove the soot from the filter, but this is how it can be done easily. And next the ashes below the gasifier. For each instrument there is space below the lid of the trunk, and it's easy to carry them always with the gas. So this is how it works, and what we have to do every 1000 kilometers is to clean the filter, and every 150 kilometers I have to refuel the gasifier and remove the ashes. In addition to this, during every refueling, condensates has to be removed from car and below the gasifier. But that is only just to open 2 taps, and that's it. Thank you for your time.